Okay, all. So here is the chapter review walkthrough that I'm going to show you. First, I want to point out some things you shouldn't do, some issues we're going to have just with the way this is, and then I'm going to show you definitely the things you're going to want to do so that way you're not wasting your time. So your screen doesn't look anything like this, but the reason I'm here is I want to show you what happens when you launch the Chapter 5 review. It does say Chapter 5 review test, but if you recall, it says the same thing in your book. So you'll click your link, which is in a different spot than mine, and unfortunately, it's immediately not great because it doesn't even bring you to the right page. It brings you to page 303, and you actually need to be on page 307. And you can do that one of two ways. Just click here 4 times, or you could click right here. But at the end of it all, you get to Chapter 5 review test. Now you're here. Awesome, right? It's online. And you might find out, hey, I can even click this link and enter my answers here. And you'll see from a previous time, I've already entered the answer here. The unfortunate nature is I have no way to retrieve those answers and check it for you. And in addition, since I don't have student access, I'm not even 100% sure that your answers will save. So, what is the remedy for this? One of two things. You can print out the 6 pages of the test if you are capable. If you have a printer at home, awesome. If you don't, do not worry about it. This will work on a notebook. Simply open a notebook, write number 1, and if you believe the answer is C, which it is, happy free answer day, you would then write 1C and just move on. Because the point of this whole thing is to take it, see what you know, and then check your answers so we can work towards understanding. As we do in school, right? In school, you would take this in class, we'd do a few together. I would project the answers on the board. We'd go over it. We talk about the quality of your written answers. How was the modeling? What did we need to work on? And then eventually we would take the test. So we're doing something very similar. You're going to get the chapter review answer key tomorrow. That's Friday. You're going to get that answer key tomorrow. But if you do not do the chapter review, which I have assigned on Think Central as open until Sunday, let's say you don't get it until Saturday night, right? And you finish it Saturday night on your own time. Don't open the chapter review answer key until you're done, right? I'm not collecting this. So getting the right answers by copying them out of the answer key will not help you at all, right? It's actually going to hurt you because you're going to feel like, oh, this is out of the way and done. Use it to check your answers when you have completed the chapter review test. All right. So again, you can print this out and or do that on paper. I will be giving you the chapter review answer key through Google Classroom. There's actually no way for me to assign it on Think Central. I will be giving it to you through Google Classroom on Friday afternoon. All right. If you do have any questions, as always, whether about the concept, what you should be doing, or about the test or review, please contact me. However, I will tell you, I check my email very infrequently over the weekend and after, say, 5 o'clock on Friday, really not for a while. So definitely get a chance to look at this today and tomorrow, Friday, so that way if you do have any questions, we can begin to work them out tomorrow during the day. I will be opening up the test on Monday, and it will be open for Monday and Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, we're moving on to Chapter 6. All right. If you have any questions, please let me know. As always, you can email me or find me in the classroom.